Welcome to level 3 of the optimization math program. Find the inequalities from the following constraints. A farmer grows beans and corn. Beans is X, corn is Y. 3 times the number of tons of beans added to the number of tons of corn. Beans is X, so 3X. Added to the number of tons of corn is more than 6. So this is just Y is more than 6. We get 3X. This would be 3X. Added to the number of tons of corn, Y is more than 6. 3X plus Y is more than 6, is greater than 6. The number of tons of corn, that's Y, is larger than 0. We have Y is larger than 0. 6 times the number of tons of beans, so that's 6X, added to the number of tons of corn, plus Y, is at most 42. 6X plus Y is at most 42. If it's at most 42, can it be equal to 42? Yes. If it's at most 42, can it be less than 42? Yeah, it just can't be more than 42. Less than or equal to 42. Next, 5 times the number of tons of corn is fewer than 30 more than 6 times. So 5 times the number of tons of corn, that's 5y, is fewer than, that's less than, 30 more than, well, more than what? 6 times the number of tons of beans. So 6x is fewer than 30 more than that, plus 30. 5y is less than 6x plus 30. There's a couple of formats that you can put your answer in. Y is less than ax plus b. That format. The y is alone, has no coefficients. Everything else is on the right-hand side. Or you could put the x first with its numerical coefficient, so like ax plus by is less than or equal to, or whatever the relationship is, with c. By the way, these a's and a's are not the same. The a over here and this a, not the same thing. These are the two formats that you can put your answer in. This one is acceptable. That's acceptable. So that's in that format. This is acceptable because it's in the first format. It's like y equals x plus b format. This is acceptable. The x comes first, then comes the y. So that's in this format. This one is not in the right format. I need to format it properly. I could just divide everything by 5. If I do that, I'm going to get y is less than 6 over 5x plus 30 divided by 5 is just 6. Now everything's in the proper format. Back to the program and enter these different equations. 3x plus y is greater than 6 for the next one. Y is greater than 0. For the next one, 6x plus y is less than or equal to 42. The final one, y is less than 6 over 5, x plus 6. I can just press enter. Yay, and that's it for level 3. Have a good day.